Hey lovely people! Today we're talking about something super important, not just for your looks but for your health: dental care. A bright smile doesn't just make you look great, it also boosts your confidence. In this video, I'll walk you through a full daily dental care routine plus some natural whitening tips. Let's get started. Brushing the right way. You should brush your teeth at least twice a day, morning and night. But it's not just about brushing, it's about brushing correctly. Use a 45-degree angle and make gentle circular motions from the gums down. Don't forget to brush for at least 2 minutes. Flossing. Brushing alone isn't enough. Dental floss helps remove plaque and food from between your teeth, areas your brush can't reach. Try to floss once a day. It may feel awkward at first, but it's worth it. Mouthwash. Mouthwash kills bacteria and keeps your breath fresh. Fluoride-based mouthwashes also strengthen your enamel. Remember, mouthwash is a bonus, not a replacement for brushing. Natural whitening. Once a week, you can try a mix of baking soda and a few drops of lemon juice to gently whiten your teeth. Just be careful, don't overdo it or you might damage your enamel. Everything in moderation. Nutrition matters. Sugary and acidic foods harm your teeth. Drink plenty of water, eat leafy greens, and snack smart. Your smile will thank you. Visit your dentist. See your dentist at least twice a year. Professional cleanings and early detection of problems will save you a lot in the long run. A perfect smile needs more than just white teeth. You need healthy gums and a consistent routine. Start building your dental care habits today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. What's your favorite oral care product? Let me know in the comments.